Okay, 2012 Volkswagen Passat. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna back this guy out. Okay, back this guy out as far as you can. Then bang that with the pick fork. Make sure you get this out all the way, or it's just gonna be free spinning. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna loosen that front control bolt. Okay, it's an 18. And then you're gonna loosen this one, 18. And you're gonna take the suspension subframe out. So you take that bolt, 18. So it's only 1, 2, and 3. You take those out, put a jack under, make sure you have jack stands on both sides, both wheels floating. And then when you lower the jack, see this gap right here? You're gonna lower it a little bit more, and it's gonna give you the clearance to take that bolt. See how that bolt's gonna clear it? I just gotta go down a little bit more, and it'll be able to clear that pan. Because if not, you won't be able to do it. Okay, follow those instructions. Do the same on the other side. The passenger side is a little easier because you don't have nothing blocking there, but you still gotta lower it because it gets to clear the transmission. Okay, just a little bit. Just lower control arm all the way in. Everything's pretty much 18. It's pretty straightforward. Just remember, don't be scared to remove those subframe bolts because the struts are going to hold it in place. Okay, and the transaxles. Just always keep some tension on that jack, and you should be okay. Just start your bolts. Don't torque anything down until every bolt's lined up, and don't be scared. Knock it out real quick. All right, I think that should do it.